Today I am showing you 8 kitchen transformations we completed across Dubai villas. From dated builder kitchens to bespoke Calacatta marble, brass fittings, and designer cabinetry, most projects took 8 to 12 weeks. The price range is 45,000 to 150,000 dirhams. Watch to the end for the renovation cost breakdown. First up, a tired oak kitchen turned waterfall marble showpiece. This one is in Meadows. Next, a black stone island kitchen, completely reimagined. This one is in Meadows. Now look at this transformation. Fresh marble, brass linear pendants, integrated appliances. This one is in Dubai Villa. Here is one of our recent favorites. Minimalist matte cream cabinetry on Calacatta. This one is in the Lakes. A tight kitchen made to feel double the size with a new island and cove lighting. This one is in the Villa. These are real transformations from First Unicorn Interiors. We deliver kitchens turnkey across Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah, with fixed price contracts and a 50-45-5 payment plan. WhatsApp us on the number on screen for a free design and quote.